Navidad? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? That you promised he will be here. It's Navidad. Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. Thanks and I appreciate every single one of you has subscribed, like, and comment. Welcome to the channel. Alright, boys. So we got some snow coming down today. Not much we could do today, but we are gonna make it. Nobody work related. Functionally, we got some not coming down, but today's programming, I have an axle to go pick up. Replace the axle on the driver's side. I need the car to be functioning properly. The axle is being having me hold me back. Like I barely use the car. I need it. So today is that day. So being there is snow, not gonna do it here. I'm gonna visit my boys real quick, hang out with them, chill, and spend some time and get this done today by any means. So with that being said, let's get it. Oh, no time to waste, boys. Time to carry on with our quest today. Let's get it. So, time to put in the work. I'm over here at my boy's house, my peoples. Shout out and thank you to them. They let me do this over here today. So, trying to knock it out. So I'm gonna put you in a little time lapse and start taking shit out and finding out and pull out the axle. See where we at. Let's get it. Tires off. Tie the story off, unassembling things. I'll have to get the 32 mil, loosen these off, loosen the brake, and start making things happen. So with that being said, let's get it.
You're gonna see it running.
I know. It makes me more fucking happy than anything. Like,
no. Ya ni quiere terminar la completa.
I know.
He wants to register this shit already.
Yo,
He telling us, yo, I want to get this.
when he take this shit to the shows, it's gonna fucking break people's heads.
On a daily, he's been telling me, yo, I can't wait to get that car fixed so that I can register and take it on the road already.
Nah, people gonna go nuts. When he take it to shows, I guarantee you he bring him fucking trophies all day long.
Yeah. He got to win.
Oh yeah. He could go to fucking classic car people, he's still gonna get a trophy over them.
Exactly.
Check out the progress, my boys. Gray's cool EK truck is coming alive. They put in the work. New heart in it already. And transmission back to OEM. The boys is putting their time for real. They're not playing here.
It is good.
So it's longer, no longer chill, going back to being a car. It's gonna be driving soon. We're still doing some body work on it to finish up some things that he want to do different. He's modifying, he's going over it, but stay tuned. Gonna be driving soon. I'm stoked. Can't wait to see the progress on the top. And on the tripod. Until today it lasted. Had it for like 3 years, so rest in peace. Salute to you, you did your duty. Trying to improvise and trying to see how can I still brought the content up. Let's get it. All right, boys. Axle's out, so trying to determine, see what happened. Could have swear I seen a crack on it. Like the bushing itself is bad. But it's playing the rotation, the vibration I had. Now, however, trying to see if I have a crack here or not. But I know it's out. I won't waste my time trying to determine. At the end, I'll open it. Ooh. I guess we find out what was the issue, boys. The whole time it didn't even break. It spun one of the bearings. That the spark we seen on that car meet video. It was playing what every time that I try to rev on it, I'll get like crazy vibration. Where the bearing went, no idea, but time to put on the new one. Let's get it. Right, boys. So like I said, I removed the axle. The other part of the axle is right there in it, and I could see clearly that that one bearing that's missing left the shop. So that would explain why every time I step on it, you will see sparks in it from coming in. So I'm gonna try to take that off quick and proceed to install the new axle on. Let's get it. Alright, so I got the fucking spline out of the transmission. Bearing is not there, missing from the chat. So simple, wanna use the new one. I compare them, they pretty much the same. So I'm gonna waste no time and just throw it in real quick. That being said, let's get it.
Remember that nut's behind you.
Axle's back in place. Gotta assemble my brake system back. Lower it down. Make sure this is tied up. Everything is tight, but I want to snug it tight a little bit more. Put my brake assembly and throw the wheel back on. Feels good to have the new axle in place. So let's get it. Everything is tied up. Brakes. This line for the longest. the 10 wasn't on. I didn't put it on, so I made sure it's on. Axle correctly on. Everything is tied up as it should. It's a matter of throwing the tire and take it for a test drive. Hopefully everything is good, which I am confident it is. So with that being said, let's get it. Boys, I want to thank Danny from Brooklyn for letting me use the garage today.
What's up, guys?
So shout out to Daniel from Brooklyn from always. And the team, everybody's doing their stuff. Check out the Black Widow twin. This is what the donor motor came from for the EK truck. The guys are literally like managed from like doing their thing to turn it on. I'm so pumped from them to see this come alive, you know. I'm stoked. But I don't want to start, you know, steal their shine. So just a little preview. They're all up on their channel. Make sure to follow up and keep up with the bill. But things is looking good, boys. I got everything back up, tire, everything's in place. I gotta clean up my tools, put them back for Danny, pick up my stuff and take it for a ride. Hopefully everything is good. I'm pretty sure everything is good, so gotta be better than before. Got the old axle here, which is not bad. Just missing one of the inner bearings, but the axle itself with the spindles are good. So I'm gonna save it for a raining day in case something happens in the future. At least I have it for a backup or something. And it is the OEM one. So let's get it. Alright boys, back at the crib. Took the car for a spin. I have a new axle on this side, but the problem continues. So it wasn't this side. Even though that we detected it was one bearing missing from this side, so it's a good thing that I put a new axle on this side. Taking it for a test ride, doing the same noise, same vibration, so we know it's the passenger side. So it's a bummer. I should have bought two of them, but I bought one. A little more expensive that way. So simply for my sake, I'm gonna jack up the car off camera, make sure the lock nut on the spindle is on for safety wise like I did on this side before, and there's not much I could do for this episode. But at least we got a new axle on this side. Didn't solve the problem, but we have a new axle on this side. So yeah, let's get it. Alright boys, I removed the wheel just for my piece of sake. I want to make sure and check things out. Everything seems tied up the way it should. The axle itself don't look hurt, apparently, until we take it apart like the other one. But I wanted to make sure nothing was hanging. There was no leaks. So definitely this axle need replacement as well. Can't right now. I wish I knew that was one that was bad too, because the other one wasn't bad, but it was missing a bearing on it. So little things like that, they could make your car malfunction or run smooth. So yeah, so simply I gotta order the new one and do this side. I have no choice, but I wanted to make sure, so I'm gonna throw in the back wheel so we can finalize with today's video. Let's get it. All right boys, got the tire back on again. We got some progress, which is better than no progress. Everything as we seem to be tied up. It's just a matter of the axle is bad. I really thought the driver was the one, but thank God that I took out the driver, because we seen it was missing a bearing from the inner spindle with the transmission mounting. So nothing to it. I just simply gonna order this one. Might take me a week or so, and we'll store this. But again, some progress is better than no progress at all. So for my safety wise, I know I got a brand new one in that side, tied up, everything to go. Next step will be brakes, brand new with a half, but that's right after I get these axle installed and corrected. In the meantime, I still baby it, take my time and not beat on it. Just trying to respect it, you know what I mean? It's not always beat on them and trying to kill them right away. These cars, they will last a long time if you loyal to them, meaning keep up the maintenance and everything they need, and these motors, they will last forever. That's why a lot of people chose they go with this D-series with turbo builds as far as like Vitara builds, because these motors, they will hold up the compressor and the beating on it. All right, you can see the flakes. Got huge no flakes. Pause. So thank God that came here in time. So can you do? All right, boys. Gonna wrap things here short. Up in the next. More thanks and appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment. Stay tuned and support the channel. Thank y'all. Till the next time, thank you for watching. Self-motivate, keep motivated. Peace.